What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the black and white display issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. So from here, if you have enabled dark mode, then sometime it can cause a glitch which can make your screen black and white. So to fix this black and white screen, switch back to light mode. But after switching back to light mode, if you are still facing the black and white screen issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings and then tap on accessibility. Now here go to the VN tab and then tap on color correction, and if you have enabled use color correction button, then turn it back off, and after turning off this button the black and white display issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white display issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.